How to download offline maps in Google Maps. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download offline maps in Google Maps. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Google Maps app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside this section, simply scroll down and tap on offline maps. And this will take you to the section where you can manage and download maps. Now here, you can just tap on select your own map and you will see a map on your screen. Now here you can simply zoom in or zoom out to select the exact area that you want to download. And here once you're happy with the selected area, you can just tap on download. And once you do that, the map will now be saved on your phone for offline use. And you can rename or manage your saved maps for the offline map section anytime. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.